how much I make flipping houses. Okay.
To learn more about real estate wholesaling and investing, please visit www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com, and for our Quick Start program, go to www.11dayschallenge.com.
How much I make flipping houses. Okay. This is I have my full blown story. Okay, starting from 2004 December. There is a video that I'm going to suggest that you watch. Okay. Let me see if I can. No, just all you want to do. Okay, what you want to do is simply Google wholesaling 101 Hola. Okay. Let me actually see if that works. Okay. I need to make sure that works before I send you to go do that. All right, but it should work. Wholesaling 101. 101. Hola. All right. And yes, that brings up, well, actually, that brings up way too many videos. No, actually, it brings it up. Free wholesaling. Okay, there you go. So it brings it up. It should bring it up at position number 1 on Google results. It's called Free Wholesaling 101 course. Okay. If you want to know my full story, I talked about one of the videos in the modules is actually how I made $82,000 from one deal. That happened in 2006. I've been trying to beat that record, but I haven't done that. Averaging per deal is $25,000. Okay, but a lot of times there's partners on the deals that have to get paid and stuff like that. Okay, so actually I've never really sat down to do the math of how much I net, because netting to me, I also have family member who is also a partner, a business partner. So I don't know exactly what that means, but all you need to know is per deal averaging $25,000. Now it depends on your location, okay, or the location you decide to target. If properties are below $150,000 or less, okay, you can expect that there's not enough spread to make $25,000 average. But there are many people that are doing extremely well, making $7,000-$10,000 average on a deal. I have made $0 on a deal before. Okay, so basically I did all the work that was supposed to be done, meaning I had a motivated seller. Okay, I had a motivated seller. I had a good house. We did the deal, and at the end of the deal and everything, I walked out with nothing. Okay, why? Because we found out that there was liens against the property that we were not told, we didn't foresee, and the only way we could close the deal is to take care of the lien. But what we did at that time is that we had the lawyer, the buyer agreed to pay the extra, a little profit for us, but they paid in the form of a promissory note. So basically, they now owe us money, kind of like a mortgage. They owe us money. I think it was like $10,000 against the property. And when they do decide to flip, so they wanted the deal. The deal was such a good, sweet deal for them. They wanted the deal. They paid the extra 10 grand, but they paid it in the form of a promissory note, because there was a financing on the table that only covered a certain amount of money. So kind of we financed the deal with $10,000 that would have been our profit, and then we just kind of forgot about it. Okay, and I say we because there was a partner on the deal, 50-50. And basically a few months down the line, my partner called me and said, "Hey, Ola, I'm sending you a $5,000 check. We just got paid. Our buyer did the house, rehabbed the house, closed the deal, and we just got sent a $10,000 check." I was like, "Yay!" So that does happen. Again, you're gonna make big money sometimes. You're gonna make in between money sometimes. That's why you don't want to get stuck on, "I want to close my first deal." It's a beautiful thing. It does change your life, and it's a proof of concept when you do close your one deal. However, you want to build a system that continues to spit leads into your pipeline, so you're not at the mercies of one deal that fails, or you can't make any money, or you're disappointed. You should have a pipeline. It's better you build a pipeline. All right, that's all I have for you on this particular session. Hopefully you've been enlightened and educated. Don't forget, go to smartrealestatewholesaling.com. Go get the book for free if you're brand new. It's a book you need to read 10 to 15 times. Why? Because your mindset is primarily what drives your business. Okay, it drives everything. Your energy, the energy you bring into the game. Do you bring a champion mindset in the game, or you just I'm frustrated, right? All of that's going to be driven by your mindset, not necessarily by the reality of life. All right. So just keep that. That's why I said read the book 10 to 15 times. And if you go there right now, I'll give you the second book, Real Estate Money Secrets, for free as well. And the option of Kindle, the option of buying it on Amazon, audiobook, all of that option is back there as well. All right. I'll see you on the next one, and peace.
To learn more about real estate wholesaling and investing, please visit www.smartrealestatewholesaling.com, and for our Quick Start program, go to www.11dayschallenge.com.